Welcome to the Dr. Izzy's Medical Podcast channel.
Question: how can we completely concentrate while studying? Let me tell a Zen story on it. An aspiring student of martial arts went to a great teacher and said, "I am devoted to studying your martial arts system. How long will it take me to master it?" The teacher's reply was, 10 years. Impatiently, the student answered, "But I want to learn it faster and I will work very hard. If I practice every day, 10 or more hours a day, how long will it take then?" The teacher thought for a moment, 20 years. If you are impatient to learn or master anything, it wouldn't benefit you more. If you are restless, you will make more mistakes and you will be more distracted as your whole focus will be on result, not on your action. Instead, remain calm and be devoted to your work. A mind which is more calm helps you to concentrate better, attaining undivided focus, and it makes you proactive. There are some useful tips to be more effective. Use quick grasping techniques, diagrams, flow charts, bullet points, short side notes, page markers. Study from short notes. If not having them, then write some short notes. Reading a whole book is tiring? Divide your chapter into small topics. Read the whole chapter in parts. It's much easier. Cut off from the distractions before starting studying. The brain is designed to work on one task at a time. Use the 90-minute rule. After studying 90 minutes, take 15 minutes to break them. Start again. Focus on learning rather than on grades. It reduces stress and pressure surrounding studying. Meditation is the best way to calm the mind and focus on one thing. Do it before studying.